Hello friends, so I'm back with another video on assignment abroad times today newspaper, and I'm going to cover around 72 job postings which are published in today's assignment newspaper. There are many free recruitments as well, so please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss on any opportunity. And friends, I'm sure if you will watch complete video today, you will get your desired job because all category jobs are available in today's video. So please don't skip, watch complete video. Let's start. The first posting is for Dubai. Final client interviews will be on 22nd of October in Jamshedpur, 24th October in Patna, 25th October in Delhi and 26th October in Mumbai. Shortlisting is in progress. Vacancies are in large number. The positions are HVAC technician, VRF technician, structure fabricator, electrical helper, plumber, electrician, experience in residential and commercial work, must have 2 to 4 years of experience or Gulf experience is preferred, age between 22 to 45 years. So friends, if you wish to apply for any of this position, then the email ID is mg15@mgiwala.com. You can see the mobile number as well, and the telephone number is also mentioned. Next is for Saudi, for a facility management company. Final client interview will be on 22nd of October in Mumbai. Shortlisting is in progress. Immediate departure. The positions are maintenance supervisor, instrumentation technician, mechanical technician, electrical technician, control door technician, BMS technician, network technician, hydraulic, Fendler's technician, public address system technician, carpenter, furniture and gypsum, electronics technician, mechanic, audio video technician, fire alarm technician, agriculture supervisor, CCTV technician and mason. All technical category candidates should have diploma and 4 to 6 years of experience. Gulf experience will be preferred. So friends, email ID for this posting is mg38@mgiwala.com. You can see the telephone and mobile numbers. So friends, if needed, you can take a screenshot also of the contact details and the posting. Next is for Saudi. It's an urgent requirement. Client interview will be on 20th of October in Mumbai. And friends, it's a free recruitment, so there will be no service charge. It's a total free recruitment. The positions are product managers, panel board factory, forklift operators, tools, dies, grinding machine operator, CNC punching machine operators, drilling machine operators, factory mechanical technician, industrial electrician, maintenance technician, electrical technicians, fabrication and installation technicians, QC inspector, bending machine operator, HV winders, LV winders, CNC routers, welders, MIG, TIG and ARC, and quality controllers. So friends, email ID for this posting is info@globaljobs.in and gm@molinternational.com. So friends, you can see multiple contact numbers are also mentioned in the posting. If you have any queries, you can contact them on the given number and get that resolved. So friends, this is free recruitments. Interviews will be on 20th of October. Next is for UAE. For a large group of company needs urgently gypsum carpenters, joinery carpenters, gypsum carpenters assistant, minimum 5 years of experience, attractive salary, employment visa and immediate departure. There are some other positions as well, like air condition technicians, freshers ITI or ITC, fitters, electricians. So friends, for these all three posting, ITI freshers can apply. So those who have just completed their ITI and want to go to Gulf for the job, this can be a best opportunity for them. Interview by client shortly. So if you wish to apply, this is the email ID, shivkumar@ astralmanpowerservices.net. This is for Saudi and UAE for a plastic paper printing, corrugated and diaper manufacturing industry. Client interview will be on 21st and 22nd of October in Mumbai. The positions are corrugated box manufacturing machine operators, printing and die cutting, flexo printing machine operators, production operators, extension operators, maintenance technicians, mechanical and electrical, heavy driver, water tanker, boom, dump, truck and trailer. Experience 2 years and above in production and manufacturing company. Diploma or ITI is must. So friends, the email ID is shefali@multilinkindia.com. You can see the multiple contact numbers as well. So friends, this video is going to be little long, so please keep some patience and watch complete video. All category jobs are available in this video. There are many free recruitments as well. And don't forget to like the video. This is for Russia. Shortlisting is in progress. Client interview will be on 23rd of October in Mumbai. The positions are welding foreman, oil and gas tank, welder 6G TIG and arc MIG, oil and gas tank pipeline, steel fixer foreman, steel fixer, electrical technician or electrician. So these are the contact details. Next is for Kuwait and Saudi for a leading AC manufacturing company. Shortlisting in progress. Vacancies are in large number. So the positions are machine operators, storekeeper, electricians, assemblers, motor winder, painter, brazier, tool and die maker. So this was for a manufacturing company, and there are some openings for automotive company in Kuwait only. So the positions are auto electricians, car polisher, parts procurement or ordering, auto electricians, parts sales, auto painters and warranty admin. All above should have minimum 5 years of experience in their respective field. Next is for a public transport company in Kuwait and Saudi. The position is heavy duty drivers. Kuwait and Saudi license or Indian license is compulsory. 10 pass certificate is compulsory. Basic speaking English is must. Accommodation, transportation and OT will be provided by company. So friends, dietravels22@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. So if you wish to apply, you can send your documents immediately. Next is for Dubai and UAE. Client interviews on 20th of October in Mumbai. Employment visa requirement in large numbers. Civil site foreman, tiles, marbles, printing, gypsum, painting, gypsum, joinery works, furnishing. Junior civil site foreman in all same categories, and charge hand also in all same categories. Excellent salaries, free food, accommodation, medical, OT, housing loan, children's school fees, everything will be provided by company. And you can see the email ID alkarimihr@05@gmail.com is the email ID. You can see the multiple contact numbers as well. Next is for Dubai. The positions are AC technicians, VRF, VRV, aluminum technicians, electricians, gypsum carpenters, argon welders. Gulf experience is preferred for these postings. This postings was for Dubai, and now for Kuwait. Chiller control technician, compressor overhauling technician, AC technician, electrical technician, VRF technicians, VFD control panel technicians. So ITI or diploma, must speak English, age 25 to 40 years. If you are interested for any of this position, then you can send your CV along with required documents on etrusttravel3@gmail.com. So friends, whenever you apply, Please attach all documents in a single PDF file, and I'm always telling in my all the videos that the document should be your updated CV, educational qualification certificates, your experience certificates, and passport copy along with one white background passport size photo. Make a single PDF of all these documents, and you can use this for all the postings whenever you apply. Just attach this single file. These all are mandatory documents. Next is for UAE. Client interview in Mumbai on 24th October. The positions are foreman, modular POD, crane operator, CNC machine operator, mason, painter, wall and gypsum, production assistant, plumber, tile mason, stone mason, and land surveyor. Free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Candidates should have 3 to 4 years of relevant experience in their respective fields. So the email ID is sluaejobs@gmail.com. Friends, you can share this video with your friends, or if you have been added in any Gulf related WhatsApp group, you can share this video there as well, so that people can get benefit. This is for a European company in Saudi. Final client interview on 21st 22nd of October in Mumbai. This is the mobile number. Minimum 5 to 10 years of experience in oil and gas, refinery and petrochemicals, turnaround and shutdown project. Gulf written candidates will be preferred. So the positions are riggers level 1, 2, rigging foreman, millwright technicians, permit receivers, fire watchers, rigging supervisors, and machinist. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. 8 hours duty, immediate departure. Next is for UAE. Final client interview on 20th of October in Mumbai. So friends, the positions are structure fabricators, industrial electrician, MIG and arc welder, multi, TIG and arc welder, all metal, finishing carpenter, pipe fabricators, GMAW welders. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Candidates must have minimum 8 to 10 years of experience. Kindly send your CV, experience and educational certificates and passport copies. The email ID is smuae005@gmail.com. You can see the contact details as well. Next is for Saudi. So friend, it's a free recruitment. There will be no service charge. The positions are garden laborers, cleaners. 1,000 Saudi Riyal plus food will be the salary. There are some urgent requirements for a reputed company. So the positions are sales representative, planning coordinator, quality assurance engineer, estimation assistant. Salary will be 4 to 5,000 Saudi Riyal. All above category must have 3 to 5 years of experience in advertising industry. Another positions are kitchen worker, heavy diesel mechanic and car mechanic. cv@rootsrecruitment.com is the email ID. You can see multiple mobile numbers for these postings. So friends, nowadays there are many frauds are happening, so you have to be careful all the time. Anyways, all the job posting in today's video are published in assignment newspaper, so all have their proper license from Government of India. They all are license holder agents, so you no need to worry, but you have to be careful if money involved, and you need to be make sure everything you should clarify before you submit your passport to the agent. So this posting is for Saudi, for a leading heat exchanger pressure vessels rotating equipment company. So the positions are project managers or leaders, SAP, mechanical planning engineers, mechanical QC inspectors, PMI technicians, NDT inspectors. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. These are the contact details. The email ID for this posting was jobs@yusho.in. Next is for Dubai, NAFCO. Client interviews on 22nd of October in Mumbai. Employment visa, normal medical. The positions are pipe fitter, firefighting foreman, firefighting charge hand, and plumbers. Vacancies are in large number, age limit between 20 to 40 years. 8 hours duty, OT, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company, and contracts will be of 2 years. Next is for Abu Dhabi. Client interview on 23rd of October. So the positions are plumber, electrician, pipe fitter, chilled water pipe experience, ductman, AC technician, 5G welder, and MEP helper. So friends, for MEP helper, 350 openings are there. For plumber 300, electrician 350, ductman 200. So these are the bulk openings, and you can see the salary range is also clearly mentioned for all the positions. So friends, don't miss the opportunities. The email ID for this posting is disha.arco@gmail.com. If you wish to apply for any of this position, then you can apply immediately. Next is for Saudi. Client interview on 25th of October in Mumbai. It's a 9 months of shutdown project, flight within 10 to 15 days. The positions are industrial electrician, instrument technician, tubing electrician, tubing technician, cable jointer, and cable splicers. Both should be Aramco approved. Scaffolder, electrical foreman, scaffolding foreman, quantity surveyor. So friends, you can see the salary range is mentioned for all the positions. hrglobal305@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. You can see the mobile numbers as well. This is for Saudi, for a leading cement factory. The positions are KLN, petrollers, operators and supervisors, petrollers, raw mill, mechanical technicians, electrical technicians. Minimum 5 years of experience in a cement factory is required. Client interview on 11th and 12th of November in Mumbai. You can see the email ID and WhatsApp number. So you can ping them on WhatsApp. You can apply via WhatsApp or email. But for a safer side, send an email also on the given email ID. Next is for Saudi. This is for a short-term project. So friends, you can see the positions are in bulk, like piping foreman, supervisor, fabricator, fitter, piping supervisor, multi-welder, welding supervisor, welding foreman, lead technician, assistant welding inspector, standby man, permit receiver, safety officer, structural supervisor and foreman, multi coordinator, site coordinator, rigger level 3, 1, structural fabricator, fitter, project planning engineer, supervisor, heat and E&R, foreman, heat and E&R, mechanical fitter, bolt turking technician, supervisor, EHSS, electrician, assistant technician, technical retubing inspector, QA/QC, engineer, QA/QC, timekeeper and flagman. So friends, you can see there are multiple openings, and this is for a short-term project. Client interview on 21st of October in Mumbai. recruitment@suhanatravels.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Kuwait, for HVAC maintenance project. Vacancies are in large number. So friends, client interviews will be on 25th of October, and senior HVAC technician, control technician, testing and commissioning technician, chiller technician, HVAC foreman, boiler operator. These are the openings. Candidates must have ITI diploma with 5 plus years of experience. Company will provide accommodation, transportation, medical, insurance. So friends, these are the contact details. Jobs at the rate teheranintl.com is the email ID. You can see the detailed address of Mumbai, Cochin and Chennai office. So the interviews will be in Mumbai on 25th October, in Cochin 23rd October and Chennai 27th October. So you can choose any of your nearest location. These are the positions. Next is for Kuwait again, for a oil and gas group, urgently required, shortlisting in progress, client interview on 25th of October. So the positions are planning and cost control engineers, rigging supervisors, safety supervisors, instrument engineers, painting supervisors, instrument supervisors, mechanical helpers and mechanical technicians. All must have 5 years of experience in the same field. Good salary, OT, free food and free accommodation will be provided by company. Vacancies are in large number. Free food or food allowance and OT. Okay, so transportation and accommodation is not mentioned. You can get that clarified. Below are the contact details. The email ID for this posting is recruit@medahr.com. So friends, don't skip. There are many more job openings are remaining. There are total 72 plus openings in today's assignment newspaper. Almost all category jobs are published. So please don't skip and don't forget to like the video. I want more and more like on this video. So friends, this is free recruitment and this is for UAE. It's a shutdown 2 months project. So those who are looking for a short-term job can go for it. Normal medical immediate departure by end of October. Final client interviews on 22nd of October in Mumbai International Office. Positions are job performers, mechanical, pipe fabricators, permit holders, 6G TIG and arc welders, mechanical technicians and mechanical supervisors, both rotating. All candidates should have 3 plus years of experience in oil and gas. So these are the contact details. mechanical@indiapersonnel.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Qatar. And friends, you can see there are multiple openings. Project manager, catering supervisor, chef, pastry, assistant baker, baker, salad, chef, assistant cook, waiter, dish or plot wash or dish or pot washer, assistant residence manager, IT technicians, admin, light or heavy drivers, warehouse officer, butcher, chapati maker, kitchen helper, head waiter, cleaning supervisor, gym attendant, receptionist lead, receptionist help desk, reception supervisor and reception attendant, steel fitter, general mason, executive or head sauce chef, catering unit manager, cook western and continental, cook Filipino, Asian and Arabic, assistant butcher, grade manager, assistant grade manager, dining hall supervisor, storekeeper, data encoder and store helpers. So friends, as you can see, there are multiple openings for Qatar and the email ID you can see below. These are the contact details also for your reference. Next is also for Qatar. I'm sorry. Okay, so this was for Qatar. Next is also for Qatar. This is an urgent requirement for a manufacturing company. Client interview in Mumbai on 24th of October. So the email ID is cv.flysky@yahoo.com. You can see multiple mobile numbers. The position is mechanical technician, static, 3 to 4 years of Gulf experience in oil and gas industry. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Duty will be of 8 hours, contract 2 years, age limit up to 45 years. Next is for Saudi, and the positions are welder, 6G CSSS, piping, mobile crane operator 100 ton, mini truck driver, diesel mechanic, salesman, trailer driver, Aramco approved CBT QC, pipe fabricators, industrial electrician, spray painter, accountant and gardener. And there are some opening for plastic bag manufacturing company. The positions are film machine workers, printing machine workers and sealing machine workers. So the email ID for this posting is irfanint7487@yahoo.co.in. Next is for Saudi, client interview on 21st of October. So the positions are electronics technician, instrumentation technician, control door technicians, audio video technicians, fire alarm technicians, network technicians, electrical power station technicians, hydraulic barriers technicians, BMS technicians, AC or HVAC technicians, mechanical technicians for pumps and distillation plants, gas and air pressure technician, elevator technicians, ROSTP, WTP operator pole camera, mechanic, maintenance supervisor, agriculture supervisor, mason, carpenter, building electrician and pest control. All candidates should have minimum 4 years of experience in maintenance work. HR1 leoent@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Saudi again, for a construction project at Dammam. Interview will be on 27th of October with the clients. You can see the detailed address, contact numbers and email IDs. So the email ID is cb15@hrinternational.in and cb14@hrinternational.in. Vacancies are in large number. The positions are scaffolding erectors, welders 3G, 4G, structural, pipe fitter, welder 6G, electrician helper, plumber helper, ductman, electrician and plumber. All candidates should have 5 years of experience in the same field. Next is for Dubai. Client interviews in Mumbai soon. Valet drivers LMV UAE license required. Buggy drivers UAE license required and doorman. 2 to 3 years of experience in customer service as doorman in 5-star or 4-star hotels. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. The email ID for this posting is jobs@alwakil.net. Next is for Bahrain. The positions are crane operator, rigger, rigger assistant, carpenter, shipping clerk, pipe fabricator, tacker, 6G, TIG and arc welder, welder machine, PWHT foreman, technician, assistant, blaster foreman, painting foreman, painter, rigger for painting, rigger assistant for painting, shop rigger assistant and shipping rigger assistant. So friend, you can see the salary is mentioned for all the positions in Bahraini dinar. For UAE, pipe welder and pipe fabricators are required. Candidates must have 5 to 10 years of experience in construction, in refinery, oil and gas or petrochemicals. So these are the contact details. This posting is by Asia Power Mumbai. Next is for Saudi. Client interview on 20th of October in Mumbai. Minimum 4 to 6 years of experience in oil and gas, maintenance, shutdown, turnaround projects. Gulf written candidates will be preferred. So friends, these are the posting: pipe fitter, pipe fabricator, hydrojetters, leak sealing technician, hydrojetting foreman, vessel fabricators, power service technicians, protection specialist, fire watchers, electrical and instrument technicians, mechanical supervisors, mechanical site engineers, senior mechanical planning engineers, mechanical lead QA/QC engineers, QC coating inspector, API inspectors, scaffolding supervisors, hydrojetting supervisors, analyzer technicians, mechanical fitters, riggers, scaffolders, industrial painters, material coordinators, plant service coordinator, hydrotest technician, instrument technician, fire and gas technicians, duct fabricator, on-site machinist, rigging supervisor, coating engineers, retubing supervisors, and bundle puller supervisors. Food accommodation will be provided by company, attractive salary. So friends, this bulk posting for Saudi interviews will be on 20th of October. You can see the mobile number is clearly mentioned here, so you can contact in case of any queries. This is for Saudi for their Aramco project. And interviews will be on 23rd October. Positions are QC electrical, rigger level 3, solar engineer, CP engineer, safety supervisor, backhoe operator, excavator operator, cable splicer, CP technicians, auto electrician, loader operator, safety officer. So you can see the salary range is clearly mentioned for all the postings, all the positions. The email ID for this posting is admin@worldtravelsgroup.com. You can see the multiple mobile numbers are also mentioned in the posting. Next is for Saudi and Kuwait. This is for a mobile telecom tower construction and maintenance company. It's a long-term project. Direct line interview on 19th, 20th and 21st of October in Mumbai and 27th October in Bangalore. So the positions are drivers, heavy and light, project manager, controller or senior engineer, telecom engineers, civil engineers or supervisors, safety engineers, design engineers, tower technicians, tower riggers, AutoCAD draftsmen, telecom tower erectors and shuttering carpenters. team2@agpindia.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Saudi. The positions are QC inspector, interface manager or coordinator, QC supervisor, mechanical, document controller. All positions should be Aramco approved. Another positions are engineering manager, senior engineer, planning engineer, site civil engineer, hydro testing and commissioning engineer, electrical supervisor, instrument supervisor, piping engineer, quantity surveyor, pipe fabricator, industrial electrician, welder, structural steel electors, mason, all-rounder, diesel mechanic. All above candidates must have degree or diploma with 5 to 15 years of experience with minimum 5 years in Gulf countries. So you can see the mobile number for this posting. These unnecessary calls are disturbing. Sorry for the inconvenience. Next is for Dubai. Client interviews on 26th of October in Mumbai. The position is building electrician. Candidates must have knowledge in housing, cable tray installation, DP dressing, cable glanding and termination. sluajobs@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and this is for Dubai. 26th of October in Mumbai. The position is building electrician. Candidates must have knowledge in housing, cable tray installation, DP dressing, cable glanding and termination. sluajobs@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and this is for Dubai. building electricians. Next is for NSH Abu Dhabi. This is for a oil and gas construction project. Shortlisting in progress. Client interviews on 21st of October in Mumbai. The positions are pipe fitters, mechanical fitters, millwright fitters, helper, piping foreman, welders 6G TIG ARC CS and SS, welders foreman, scaffolders and scaffolders foreman. So minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in oil and gas industry is required. If you wish to apply for any of this job, then mansi@asiapower.co is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Saudi, and you can see there are multiple positions. Number of openings and salary range is mentioned for all the positions. So friends, please take a screenshot, because if I will read out all these positions, it will increase the length of video. So better you take a screenshot and review it later on. All categories required at least 3 to 5 years of experience. And the email ID for this posting is fahadcv2024@gmail.com. So friends, you can see in this posting mason, warehouse labor, AutoCAD draftsman, cable jointer, pipe fitter, civil, foreman, surveyor, electrical engineer, drivers, firefighting plumber, CNC machine operator, general foreman, and many openings are there. So please take a screenshot. Here also you can take a screenshot. This is bulk openings for Kuwait for oil and gas maintenance project. Client interviews will be in Mumbai on 20th of October, on 27th October in Chennai, and 22nd October in Kochi. So these are the positions. There are senior, junior and entry level positions in this posting. For all categories, candidate must have at least 5 to 8 years of experience, including 3 years in Gulf in oil and gas and maintenance projects. And the passport's validity must be minimum 3 years. So the email ID for this posting is nilesh@asiapower.co. I hope you have taken screenshot. Next is for Saudi, and friends, it's a free recruitment. Client interviews on 23rd of October. It's a 6 to 9 months shutdown project. Interviews will be in Mumbai and Gorakhpur. So positions are work permit receiver, fire watcher, mechanical supervisor, pipe fabricator, QA/QC inspector, static or welding, planning engineer, mechanical. 8 hours duty per day, 6 days a week work will be there. Free food, accommodation, transportation and medical will be provided by company. Overtime will also applicable. So tehranjobs2020@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the mobile number for both the locations like Mumbai and Gorakhpur. Next is for UAE. Client interview shortly in Mumbai. For shortlisting, interviews will held between 19th, 20th, 21st and 22nd of October. So you can see the positions: AC helper, pipe fitter, ductman, insulator, plumbers, mechanical helpers, assistant AC technicians, assistant pipe fitters, pipe fitter helpers, assistant plumbers, planning helpers, building electricians, mechanical helpers, assistant insulator and insulator helpers. So if you have Indian experience only, then also you can apply for this jobs, because they are accepting Indian experience as well. Attractive salary, food allowance, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. OT will also applicable. So hr5@asmax.net is the email ID, and you can see the WhatsApp number as well. Next is for Oman, for a furniture factory. So the final client interview will be in fourth week of October in Mumbai and Gorakhpur. Freshers candidates required with Indian experience. So the positions are furniture carpenter and wooden spray painter. Free food, accommodation, transportation, medical will be provided by company, and there will be a daily 2 hours fixed OT. So you can see the contact number and details for Mumbai and Gorakhpur office. Next is for Kuwait. Client interview on 25th of October in Mumbai. Positions are mechanical technicians, welders, safety officers, hydroblasters, pipe fabricator, computer operator, mechanical fitter, scaffolder, helper, rigger, painter, and blaster. For engineers, the categories are static, mechanical rotating machinery, distillation, quality, assistant static mechanical engineer, and seawater facilities. For supervisors, the categories are pressure parts and welding, boiler equipment, turbo generator, valves, hydroblasting, brand band screen, valve, then horizontal pumps, vertical pumps, compressor, FD fan, and other fan. So friends, hrglobal305@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for one, for a leading oil and gas company. The positions are senior project control and planning engineer, construction manager, relay testing engineer, senior electrical supervisor, permit holder, senior civil or mechanical supervisor, HVAC chiller technician, kitchen equipment technician, batching plant machine mechanic, auto electrician, heavy. Client interview for shortlisted candidate on 19th of October at Cochin, 22nd October at Vadodara, and 23rd October in Mumbai. So friends, eros jobs@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and you can choose any of your nearest location from these three locations provided. So this posting was for Oman. Next is also for Oman, and interviews will be on 22nd October in Mumbai and 24th October in Gorakhpur. The positions are mason, shuttering carpenter, and steel fixer. Free food, accommodation, transportation, medical, insurance will be provided by company. Duty 9 hours plus OT, 5 days in a week. So you can see the contact number for Mumbai and Gorakhpur office. Next is for UAE, for a semi-government company. The positions are MEP supervisor, multi-technician civil, multi-technicians MEP, HVAC technician, AC technician, electrician, and plumber. Assistant AC technician, furniture carpenter as well. So most of the positions required ITI. You can see the number of openings as well. Good salary, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Minimum 3+ years experience in FM maintenance is required. Age limit between 22 to 40 years. amo.mum.cvs@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for UAE. It's a long-term job. Final client interview on 21st of October in Mumbai. The position is furniture or joinery carpenter. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Vacancies are in large number. All candidates should have experience in furniture joinery work. Indian and Gulf experience candidate can apply. The email ID for this posting is civil@indiapersonnel.com. Next is for UAE for a leading aluminium metal product industry. Client interview on 24th October. Aluminium site fitters. Minimum 4 to 5 years of experience, India or Gulf. All candidates should have CW, ACP windows and door fixing experience in the aluminium industry. SS TIG welder, aluminium TIG welders, minimum 4 to 5 years of experience, India or Gulf. Age limit is between 21 to 40 years. So the email ID for this posting is aimsjobscv@gmail.com. Next is for Middle East. This is for a shutdown project. The position is mechanical fitters. Experience in steel plant, only CNR candidates. It's a free recruitment. Candidates should be able to read and write English. 10 pass candidate. Gulf experience is must. The project duration is between 1 to 3 months. So friends, the email ID for this posting is trevoraviva trevoraviva@gmail.com. Next is for Saudi, Oman and Qatar. So for Saudi, the positions are purchase manager and salesman, marble product. For Oman, sales executive, junior sales executive and AutoCAD draftsman, civil. Then the position for Qatar are perfume and attar stores. This is for perfume and attar store. The position is warehouse in charge. Experience in FMCG stores is required. So friends, you can see the email ID and contact number for this posting. Next is for Oman and Bahrain. Client interview on 23rd October in Mumbai. Email ID is cv.flysky@yahoo.com, and you can see the multiple mobile numbers. The positions are HSC supervisor, only NIBOSH IGC level 3 passed, mechanical and piping foreman, piping and structure for supervisor, TIG and arc welder, piping fabricator, pipe fitter, rigger, instrument technician, scaffolder and semi fitter. Food allowance, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. 8 hours duty contract will be of 2 years. Next is for Saudi. It's a long-term job. Client interview on 23rd of October. The positions are civil engineer, supervisor, inspector and surveyor. All should have Gulf experience. Client interview on 24th of October in Mumbai. The positions are fire watch, pipe fabricator, piping engineers or HSA officer, work permit receiver, TIG and arc welder, multi, supervisor, foreman, QC inspector, mechanical, welding or pipe. The email ID for this posting is sigilksa2024@gmail.com. There are some positions for Qatar as well, for which client interview on 24th October. Blasters, painters, painting foreman, painting supervisor, planning engineer, TSA, applicator or supervisor, painting QC with TSA experience. It's a free recruitment. Excellent salary with free food and accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Sigil Qatar 2024@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. So friends, this is a free recruitment. Next is for Saudi. It's a 60 days shutdown starting 1st April 2025. Positions are multi NDD technicians, API inspector, UTSW technician, PMI or hardness technician. Shortlisting in progress, and there are some openings for Saudi as well. Piping QC or welding QC inspector, planning engineer, NDT coordinator, estimator, HSA officer, man lift operator. So friends, if you wish to apply for any of this posting, then PAMATHANE pamathane@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting, and you can see the mobile numbers as well. Next is for UAE, construction and erection of telecom transmission line. Final interviews on 20th, 21st and 22nd of October in Mumbai. So the positions are steel fixer, electricians, riggers, carpenters, masons and erectors. Age limit 25 to 35 years. Candidates having 3 to 5 years relevant experience in construction and erection of telecom transmission line, able to assemble or erect e-communication, monopole, tower, rooftop structures may apply. So this is the email ID, projects8.hrdept@inman.com. Next is for Saudi. Client interview on 26th of October in Mumbai. So the positions are area manager for packet cleaning, cleaning supervisor, cleaners and FM manager, soft service manager as well. So friends, you can see there is a key requirements are mentioned in the posting, so you can take a screenshot and review it properly before you apply. So you can see the email ID and contact details below. Next is for Dubai, for a semi-government facilities management company. Age below 42 years, food allowance included in the salary. So the positions are electronic technicians, BMS operators, MEP technicians, mechanical technicians, multi-skilled technicians, plumber and masons. Free accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. OT will also applicable. So these are the contact details below for your reference. cansanmum@gmail.com is the email ID. Walk-in client interview on 24th of October. So friends, you can see the salary range for all the positions. Next is for Saudi. Client interview on 19th and 20th of October in Mumbai. The positions are safety manager, technical manager, planning manager, construction manager, formwork engineer, site electrician engineer, site FF plumbing engineer, QS civil structural, QS electrical, senior planner or scheduler, planner, QC civil and document controller, QC manager, project manager, beam manager, site civil engineer, site HVAC engineer, structural engineer, safety supervisor, QS architect, QS mechanical, safety officer, HR specialist, civil inspector and MEP inspector, lab technicians as well. So minimum 5 years of experience in construction is mandatory, India or Gulf. Interested candidate may apply. nogsajobs@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. You can see the mobile number as well. Next, free recruitment is for Saudi. It's a CV selection followed by online interview. So the positions are site engineer, coating supervisor, bolt turking technicians, QC inspector, static mechanical, lead QA/QC engineer, senior planning engineer, and planning engineer. So friends, you can see number of openings and salary range is given for all the positions. aziz@avoir.co.in is the email ID, and recruitment@avoir.co.in is also another email ID for this posting. You can see the multiple mobile numbers. Next is a free recruitment for Qatar. Shortlisting in progress for final client interviews on 24th to 29th of October in Mumbai. So friends, you can see these all are welders position, and candidates having relevant experience in onshore oil and gas projects may apply immediately with updated CV and other supportive documents. welder@indman.com is the email ID for this posting. So hurry up, don't miss this opportunity. It's a free recruitment. Next is for Saudi and Kuwait. For Saudi, the positions are pipe fabricator, helper, carpenter, mason, electrician, spray bender, steel fixer, scaffolder, plumber, and gypsum carpenter. Food, accommodation, transportation, medical, insurance will be provided by company. Age limit is 22 to 35 years. Next posting is for Kuwait. Client interview on 21st of October at Mumbai. So friends, the positions are tool pusher, night tool pusher, driller, assistant driller, electrician, drilling safety officer, mechanic, male nurse, floorman, mechanic, or electrician helper. So minimum experience in oil and gas and drilling industry. Food, transportation, accommodation, medical, insurance, OT, everything will be provided by company. Manpower ksa1@gmail.com is the email ID for your posting. So friends, next is for Saudi. Client interview on 24th of October. Here also you can see bulk and numbers of openings are there. So please take a screenshot. Minimum 5 years of experience is required. Food safety and quality inspector, catering manager, maintenance manager, electrician, many positions are there. And for the positions below, minimum 3 years of experience is required. So you can see the positions, all clerical and supervisory roles in this. Experience in hospitality, facility maintenance field is mandatory. Gulf experience will be preferred. Contract period will be of 2 years. Work location Tabuk. So job seeker @aghakarwa.com is the email ID. Next is for Dubai client interviews on 21st of October. So friends, here also you can see there are multiple openings. Better you take a screenshot. HVAC and I am technician, boiler technician and I am control supervisor, duct fabricator, installer, gypsum, vessel fabricator, DDC, panel termination technicians, and many more. So the email ID for this posting is cvpioneertravels@gmail.com. Next is for NBTC Abu Dhabi. Interviews will be on 26th of October. Free food and accommodation plus OT will be provided by company. Supervisors, maintenance, heavy equipment, maintenance heavy on road, foreman maintenance, auto electricians, mechanics, service truck, AC crane, heavy equipment, heavy machine, diesel mechanic, static equipment, hydraulic, light vehicle, senior mechanic, engineers, crane electricians, operators in excavators, backhoe loader, dozer, crane, grader, skid steer loader, soil compactor, wheel loader, concrete pump helper, garage drivers OPTR must have valid expiry license. CV Navi Mumbai 24@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is for Bahrain. Client interview on 27th of October. Vacancies are in large number. The position is gents tailors. Experience in uniform stitching. No GAMCA government visa. Take measurement, cutting, stitching and alteration. So friends, the email ID for this posting is cvprudential@gmail.com. Next is a free recruitment for Qatar for an oil and gas project. You can send your CV on resume@alafzal.in. The positions are maintenance planning engineer, CAD database engineer, OT cyber security and SPPID design administrator. In technicians category, rotating mechanical analyzer, electrical supervisor category, operators category, pipe fitters and riggers. Gulf experience in oil and gas is compulsory. Excellent salary with free food and accommodation will be provided by company, and OT will also applicable. Next is for Saudi. Client interview on 22nd of October. The positions are fabricators, pressure wall structurer, fitters, pressure wall structurer, assistant foreman. Vacancies are in large number. Indian experience will also accepted. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. 8 hours duty plus OT. So goodwillcvs@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. This is an urgent requirement for UAE. Mechanical engineers, diesel engineers, mechanical technicians and diesel technicians. So HR at the rate introocean UAE.com. HR@interocean UAE.com is the email ID, and you can see the mobile number as well. Next is for Dubai. Client interview on 24th of October at Mumbai. The positions are tank vessel fabricator, structure fabricator, pipe fabricator, grinders, manual, gas cutter and manual lathe machine operator. So you can see the number of openings are also pretty good in the quantity. Client interview on 20th of October at Father Angel, Baroda. The positions are electricians, plumbers, pipe fitters, HDP pipe fitters, 6G arc welders, wall painters, mason, shuttering carpenter and steel fixer. For oil and gas project, 3 to 6 months shutdown, mechanical or electrical, mechanical or fitter, 75 openings. Next is for Saudi. Walk-in client interview on 22nd of October. You can see the positions: mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, chiller technician, AC technician, plumber, pump technicians, welders, furniture carpenters, electricians, mechanical technicians, pipe fitter and electronic technicians. So vacancies are in large number. The email ID for this posting is cv@alsofijobs.com. Next is for Dubai for a leading facility management company. Walk-in interview on 21st, 22nd and 23rd of October. The positions are BMS operators, 40 openings, electronic technicians, mechanical technicians, MEP technicians, multi-skilled technicians, preferably with maintenance experience in building, shopping mall, hotel, hospital or related industry. Attractive salary plus other benefits will be provided by company. Sigil UAE jobs@gmail.com is the email ID for this posting. And there are some openings for shipyard maintenance company in Abu Dhabi, fabricators piping, mechanics shipyard, electricians marine, electricians shipyard, commissioning engineers. So friends, you can see positions, stream, number of openings, salary and other details are clearly mentioned in the posting. Next is for Oman. It's a free recruitment. Client interviews on 21st of October. So the positions are catering supervisor, South Indian cooks, room boys, F&B storekeeper, laundryman, catering cooks, chapati maker, cleaners, watchers and butchers. Butchers are also required. All candidates must have catering experience. cv@virainternational.com is the email ID for this posting. Next is a free recruitment for Qatar. It's a long-term job. Client interviews on 21st of October at Karnataka and on 23rd October in Mumbai. Candidates must have minimum 5 years of Gulf experience in oil and gas industry. So friends, the positions are planning engineer, painting QC, painting supervisor, painting foreman, TSA, supervisor, mechanic, brush painter, blaster, spray painter and applicator. So the email ID for this posting is oilandgas@jmmehta.com. Next posting is for Dubai, Oman and it's for Dubai and Oman only. So positions for Dubai are supervisor 50 openings, fabricators 30 opening, aluminium workers 30 opening, helper 30 opening. So for aluminium workers, TIG welder 3G 4G welding, valet parking company in Dubai, light duty driver 50 openings, attractive salary, food and other benefits will be provided by company. Oman for a reputed facility company, cook 5 openings, waiter 5 opening, swimming pool technician, multi technician, furniture carpenter cum gypsum carpenter, wall painter cum furniture carpenter, largest furniture factory in Middle East, and for Dubai they want furniture carpenter. Interview will be on 25th October and there are some other openings for Saudi, multi technician, civil category and multi technician, HVAC plus plumber or electrician. So the email ID for this posting is, just a moment, wadetravel@yahoo.com is the email ID. So don't forget to send the required document in the evening. So this is for actually I couldn't take the complete posting. Let's move. Okay, so friends, this was the posting for today's video. I hope the information was useful. Please don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and in WhatsApp groups, and if you're new on the channel then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get daily job alerts. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience.